Have you ever worked the other side of a starting chain in crochet so that you can make an oval and there are obvious gaps in the oval and you're not sure how to get rid of those obnoxious gaps? Let me show you how. My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and today I'll show you how to reduce the gaps in the beginning oval from a foundation chain. In my recent pattern, the Produce Bag and Scrubbers crochet pattern, it does have a beginning oval, and I wanted to make sure people didn't have those gaps in the bottom of their bag, and so that's why I wanted to show you how to do that today. But this is what the pattern looks like. And if you're interested in that pattern, it is a free pattern on my blog. I'll put it here. And it also is a Lion Brand yarn kit, and I'll drop that link down in the comments section. So let's go ahead and dive in and I'll show you how to do it. Start with the beginning chain, and I'm just going to crochet 7, 8. So working into the second chain from your hook, most people will just work under the first or the back loop only, like this. But really what you need to do is you need to work under the back loop and the back bar. So turning your work, this bump right here is the back bar. So you can see these bumps, the ridge. And so you need to insert your hook under the back loop and the back bar of the stitch, and it will make it so it doesn't gap. So working into the second chain from your hook, you're going to insert your hook under the back loop and the back bar. You can see I have both of those on my hook right now. And I yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, going through both the back loop and the back bar, drop a loop, again, under the back loop and the back bar. So just working down the length of the chain. I'm just single crocheting like normal. And this just makes it so that there's not an obvious gap. Really, you are supposed to single crochet like this always, but I see it as a common mistake for people that they only do the back loop. So I placed 3 single crochets into that last chain so that I could turn and then work the other side of the chain. So now when I work this side, I'm just going under the front loop from when I was looking at the chains. I'm working that one loop I didn't, which was the front loop. So I am going down this side of the chains, working that one loop that's left. So you can see what it looks like. There's not much gapping at all. Now, if you work under only the back loop to start with, the back loop of the chain, you end up with this gapping right here, because I did not work the back bar, so it just creates extra space here, where before, if I do the back bar, it squishes it and condenses it more. So if you're having trouble with gapping when you're doing ovals, make sure that you are working the single crochet into chains correctly. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.